answer. It's all about us. All right, all about us. Every route. All right, all about us. Let's do our part. Let's fly around, have fun. Hit these folks in the mouth. So play 100. Dominate on 2, 1, 2. Dominate. 1 down. 2 down. 3 down. Break down. Break down. Break down. Yeah. Let's do 1 on 3. 1, 2, 3.
It's our standard, man. Let's go. Trenches on 3. 1, 2, 3. Go,
All day, Fred. Come on now.
Let's go. Mask up.
Come on.
Let's go.
Come on. Let's go. Next step right now. Today. Go be the best.
Yes, sir. Hey, go to work.
Let's go.
Go to work. Do your thing. Go to work. Let's go.
Have a great game, brother. Have a great game.
Ready to go to work. Let's go.
Being patient, huh?
Yeah.
I know, me too. I felt it too.
Really.
It really wasn't like felt like he was like right there.
Yeah. Bang, bang, Niner gang, go.
You were in.
I was?
Yeah. Yeah, he pulled you across the top of him.
Well done. That way. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Your safety is what's in him way.
Let's go, baby! Every time I've hit a 3-wood off the deck, top it.
Top, yeah, I can't hit it.
Bounce it.
Should have brought the 4-iron out.
I like the
200.
I like the hybrid. I like the hybrid off the deck. Like if I'm not hitting my driver well, I just go hybrid right off.
Hybrid got a bigger face on it, either it'll make a
I
little
think I can
touchdown.
relax with it too.
Yeah. 4 touchdown. 4-iron.
4-iron. That's another club I won't hit.
Hey, let's go get that 5-iron.
Yeah, I can hit a 5-iron.
5-iron.
Won't go under that.
Yeah.
Come on! Let's go! Yeah! Come on! Let's go, faithful!
That's what we need. You only have 2, but we'll take that one. That's what we needed right there, baby. Let's go.
Honestly, I like how you ran it because he like sort of played it outside.
Yeah.
I was like, dude, you caught it. I thought you were gonna turn out and score.
Yeah, that's why I came back to the ball trying to do.
That was perfect. Yeah, you good?
I can put my hand down there.
Bro, we converted, ran the clock out. You did your job. Good job, bro.
The only thing that I have to say that was bad about today was the fact that our game wasn't on Disney Plus. That's a problem. We should always be on Disney Plus.